This is the outside when we first purchased it. This is what we saw.
Now, okay then, so when you saw that from the outside...
We love it. No, we didn't.
Leap of faith.
A big leap of faith.
It was a big leap of faith. And we can show you the pictures inside. It was an even larger leap
of faith, was it?
You'll see. Even Richard said, I know it's a big leap of faith, but I can do this for you. And we decided to make the leap.
Let's have a look at what it was like.
Yeah, prepare to be shocked. So here's the patio when we first saw it. And there's the kitchen as it was.
This was a fireplace for cooking. And so that's why all of the beams in here were so charred, was from, the fireplace. So we opted to keep the fireplace
Absolutely,
indent and make this the cooking area.
Because this was such early stages, were you able to play the major part in the design of where you wanted things?
Yeah, for the most part, yeah. They had some really good ideas already developed. And so we stuck with several of those and then made adjustments along the way.
Yeah, and they would send videos every couple of days. Mm-hmm. This is what we're looking at. How do you want to do this? This is the guest bedroom.
Guest room.
Yeah.
It actually has quite a bit of natural light. When we first purchased this, we thought all of the spaces would be so small, but it's amazing once they take down all the other things that were there and found the beams and everything else. The rooms are so much bigger than we ever thought they were going to be. It's so much more spacious.
Wow.
We really wanted to preserve as much of the original as we could. So we kept all of the beams and they did an amazing job refinishing those. And then, of course, as you can see on the walls, they took that down and found all of the original wood beams.
That must have been a great day.
Oh, it was fantastic. And they sanded all of those down and restained them.
And your choice of paint color is also really lovely. This dark slate, almost black. It's just gorgeous. Walking around your house actually just makes you want to do it makes me want to. And not just do a project. You know, the before and after is just so exciting. So this is the room that we saw that felt. This is your room or the spare room?
This is a spare room.
So they've uncovered bits of wall and done some exposed.
At one point, it had a wall over it, so there were pieces of wall and wallpaper, crumbling rock.
And when we first bought the house, I don't know if you remember it, but actually this whole area you didn't see any stone. They had covered it all up with plaster and it was all wallpapered. And it was actually just a little book nook maybe sort of thing. And it had some framing around it. And the original plan was just to cover it up and make a wall over it. And then I said, when we bought it, I said, let's keep, can we see behind there? Let's see what's there. So once they took all of the plaster down, they found all of this beautiful stone. And so then they found the whole wall, the beautiful stone and the beam above the door. And so we restored all of that and they built the cabinet again for us there too.
And I love that the whole door opens, so you've got the Juliet balcony there.
It's beautiful.
Even a shower area just tucked away, spacious.
We were trying to include at least a shower and sink area in each bedroom. And so, just the utilization of space that they were able to achieve is amazing. We never could have dreamed that this room would feel this big. They took this clever little space over here and turned it into our laundry room. We were very concerned about how big it would be, and it turned out so much more spacious than you ever could have imagined. The utilization of space is amazing. Yeah. Our top two concerns were to keep the integrity of the house as much as we could and to utilize as much space as smartly as we could.
Yeah.
To utilize for storage. And so many of the spaces were so small that they were so clever in how they took advantage of that.
We can't take the credit for this. Richard and his team and Tony and the construction team, this was their plan. But it was just so easy with them. I mean, you could trust them. You knew that they were going to do a good job, and it's been a great experience. His vision for what you could do with a space it's amazing. I think they really made it come together beautifully.
It's an amazing feeling from what it started to what it's become, how they transformed it, the quality of their workmanship. And it's absolutely amazing. I've never been happier with our decision.
Oh, that's
Fantastic. That's great.
Most people that live overseas and buy a property in France to renovate think they've only got two choices. Spend months from overseas trying to find builders, plumbers, electricians themselves, or move in and live on a building site whilst all the work goes on around them. If you're not in France yet, that's almost impossible to manage. With the HCB Renovations Group, you don't have to do any of that. You choose the house from wherever you are in the world, and we bring in our full in-house team to manage every single detail of your renovation. From door handles to roofs, from plumbing to landscaping. We coordinate all the trades on the ground in France, and you deal with our English-speaking team through your own client portal. It's faster, it's high quality, and you can do it all remotely. So when you finally arrive in France, you're walking into a finished home, not a renovation nightmare.